Hello everyone, today we are unboxing Venus flytrap Dionaea Muscipula Red Piranha. One right there and then one right there. So I found some information on this website, International Carnivorous Plant Society, which discusses how this plant became a cultivar. These were F5 plants derived from a dentate Venus flytrap that was selected by Leo Song Jr. A Venus flytrap dentate that had the most triangular trap bars with a red Venus flytrap developed in Europe. The flower was emasculated to avoid self-pollination. The best dentate trap bars were selected. The flowers were self-pollinated. Of the few hundred seedlings, 1/4 had red colorization. One plant in particular was red and had trap bars that looked like piranha teeth, and named it Red Piranha. And it was registered by Edward Reed in June 1995. I'm going to compare this red piranha to a typical Venus flytrap that has a really large trap, and it's pretty much almost the size of the entire plant.